What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. In this one we're talking about the GoPro 10 and how to perform all the resets available for that device. Now the steps will be done on the latest and greatest GoPro 10 Black Edition. However, the steps will also apply to the older versions of GoPro. So let's get started. The first one and the easiest is actually a soft reset. So it's not going to wipe any of the settings that you have, but it's just going to kind of reset the settings on the device. This is a perfect step if your device is glitching a bit, maybe not powering off, slowed in performance. The way you do it is just hold that mode or power button on the side of your GoPro for 10 or so seconds. It doesn't matter whether the device is off or on. So you just keep on holding it. So in our case, we hold it, the device will turn on or off, doesn't matter. You keep on holding it for around 10 seconds. So yeah, still holding it. And now I'm gonna let it go and you are gonna see that the screen is gonna kind of power off and power on back again. So I let go and you can see the screen just kind of restarted on its own. Again, the settings, everything's gonna stay the same. The next step we're gonna cover is the hard reset, which is factory settings reset. This will actually restore all of your camera's original settings, clear all device connections, and deregister your camera from GoPro subscriptions. So it's not only a great troubleshooting step if your device not working at all, or maybe not powering on, but also if you'd be actually giving away the device or selling it, that's also a really good step to perform. First of all, we just have to turn on the GoPro. We have to slide the screen down, so use the touch screen, and to go to the dashboard, we slide the touch screen to the left and we go to preferences. In there, you slide to the bottom and you have the reset option. Here you will see a couple of different resets, so you can actually reset presets, reset camera tips, and at the bottom factory reset. I think we're good. Let's hit reset. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Okay, that wasn't too long actually, maybe 20-30 seconds. And straight away we can see the initial screen when you purchase the GoPro. That's it guys, quick easy video on how to do soft and hard reset. If you have any comments, post them down below, and as always I will see you in the next one. Cheers!